Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Clark in the Center for Hormone Health and Wellness, and I want to talk a little bit about what's in the pellets. We typically use pellets to treat low hormones. It's one of the best ways to get adequate, really optimal hormone levels in people. And we talk about kind of bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. We place these pellets typically in the buttock or hip area, and it generally lasts a good 4 months for women, about 6 months for men. So what's actually in the pellet? People want to know. Well, it's basically the hormone. That's it. So it's bioidentical testosterone. It's bioidentical estrogen, specifically estradiol. Humans make three types of estrogen. Estradiol is the most important one. And this is true kind of bioidentical just means it looks exactly the way your body made it throughout your entire lifetime. So your body knows exactly what to do with it as well. The messages aren't garbled. The breakdown products are all the way they should be because your body has seen this literally from adolescence when you went through puberty your entire life. So it looks exactly the way your body makes it. Now, that's a little different than synthetic hormones. Synthetic hormones means it doesn't look exactly the way your body made it. And when something doesn't look exactly the way your body made it, then one, it's not recognized quite the way it should be. The hormone, when it fits into the receptor, if it's not bioidentical, so if it's a synthetic hormone, it then won't give the exact message that should be sent to those tissues because these receptors are literally throughout your entire body, and their hormones are basically sending a message to the tissues to do something, to react some way or another. So the message can get just slightly garbled. And then finally, the breakdown products. Your bioidentical hormone, your body knows exactly what to do with it, how to dispose of it. If there's kind of an extra little thing on there, such as with synthetic hormone, your body doesn't know exactly what to do with some of these breakdown products. And this is where kind of the what I'll call the bad rap with certain hormones has come about, is that one, it's if they're not bioidentical, the isn't recognized quite the same. The message can be slightly garbled, and subsequently, the breakdown products aren't exactly what your body's used to utilizing. And so that's where the problems can come up. With bioidentical hormone, your body knows exactly what to do with it. It kind of basically gets back to what it was doing throughout your younger lifetime. And subsequently, it knows the message. It's a clear message, and subsequently, the breakdown products are what it's done with this throughout your entire lifetime. So the hormone itself contains, the hormone pellets contain testosterone, estradiol, and they look exactly the way your body used to make it, made it forever. Subsequently, risk is much less. Have any other questions or you think of other things, want more information, just contact us here at the Center for Hormone Health and Wellness. Um, Phone number is below, as well as the stop by and see us anytime you want to. Text us, email, however you like. It's good to talk to you. We'll talk to you again soon.